Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? I'm going to do something a little bit different. Instead of singing a song or reading a book, we're going to do a little paper hat making demo, I guess we could call it today. So, I know some of you in Early Birds have done this with me before, and it's very simple. We're just going to have one piece of paper and a piece of tape. And then whatever you want to decorate, I have a couple markers. With me right now, I only had a small piece of paper. I would suggest using a little bit bigger because, as you can tell, it doesn't really fit on my head. But this is what we have. So, first things, you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it in half horizontal down so it looks like this. The next step is to find the middle, right here, find the middle, and you fold left side to the middle, right side to the middle, and then you want to make sure it's even. Redo it a little bit if you need. This is where I have a piece of tape. Keep it down. All right, next you're going to take a fold from the bottom and fold it up. You're going to flip the whole thing over, take the flap from the bottom and fold it up. And then open it up and you have a hat. So this is where you guys then get to do what you want. You could always glue things on the bottom, pom-poms, sequins, glitter. You can, let's see, I'll write my name on it. We'll do Kira, so everybody knows this is my hat. And then open it up. And there you go. And there's your hat, friends. If you can't tell, that one's Theon's. All right.